Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffle syrup updated. Combine 1 cup maple syrup, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and a pinch of salt in a small saucepan. Heat over low heat while stirring until sugar dissolves and mixture is glossy. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla at the end off heat, taste, and adjust sweetness. Keep warm for serving and store leftovers in a sealed jar. To switch up the base syrup, try simple flavor swaps that elevate waffles instantly. Zest a lemon or orange and steep it briefly in the warm syrup for a bright, fresh note that complements butter. Add a cinnamon stick during heating for cozy depth, or whisk in a spoonful of strawberry jam for a fruity twist. Finish with a splash of vanilla to round flavors and strain if you want a smooth syrup. Proper storage and serving make your homemade syrup feel restaurant quality with minimal fuss. Pour cooled syrup into a clean jar and refrigerate. It stays good for about 2 weeks. Reheat on low or briefly in the microwave until pourable, stirring to even the temperature. Serve warm over waffles, pancakes, or yogurt, and pair with fresh fruit or whipped cream for contrast. Label the jar with the date so you know freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.